If you're planning on moving abroad with your child, then you need to watch this video. Hey y'all, it's Sade Imore, your favorite expat with nomadic tendencies. Welcome back. Before I get started, go ahead and like this video, share it with your friends, leave a comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today's video is all about the child and the legal ramifications of taking that child abroad. Let me put this notice in these YouTube streets. I am not an attorney, and if you're thinking about doing this, you should seek legal advice. Let's get started. What does the law say? In a nutshell, the court only cares about the well-being of the child. There are standards regarding relocation before divorce, during divorce, and after divorce, but it varies with each state. Now, if you're unmarried and you're the only biological parent listed on the birth certificate, then you're pretty free to do what you please. However, if you're married, divorced, or both names are listed on the birth certificate, then you need to seek legal advice. Listen, you don't want to end up in a relocation dispute or be charged with it. So I advise you to reach out to a family law attorney in your state and see what your options are regarding international relocation. Some states like Georgia require the custodial parent to give written notice to the non-custodial parent within 30, 60, or 90 days, notifying them of their intent to relocate. In addition to the notice requirement, some states also require the non-custodial parent to consent or object by filing a motion to prevent relocation. Now, you can attempt to reach an agreement through a mediator, which is a neutral third-party facilitator, and they will help facilitate the discussion between you and the other parent. Or you can reach out to the other parent and try to come to some type of agreement with the family law attorney, right? And have them notarize the paperwork and move forward that way. Usually, it's difficult to come to an agreement and you end up going to court anyway. If you have to go to court, have a relocation plan. Some states require the custodial parent to provide a good faith statement proving that they will be able to take care of the child mentally, physically, and spiritually. There's this thing called presumption equals shared responsibility, where the court would like for both parents to be in the child's life and make long-term decisions based on their age, their gender, their education, their religion. And so when a parent decides to relocate to another country, then they have to show that they're able to take care of that child or secure that child. So if you would like to move abroad because you got a job, then you can show them a letter of hire proving that you will be able to financially take care of the child. Or maybe you'd like to move back to your hometown where you could be closer to family and they can help you, as well as the child will be able to spend time and get to know their extended family. See, that makes sense. But if you try to move on bad faith, as in retaliation or just the fact that you're no longer together, then the court can deny your request to move abroad with the child, and then you will have to find a backup plan. You know, maybe that'll be that you can only move abroad with the child for a month, or maybe you can't move abroad with the child at all, and then you'll have to go alone. These are the things that you need to think of. Figure out how you'll be able to live in two countries, right? Will you even leave? This is a case-to-case basis. Every situation is unique. And again, all the court cares about is the well-being of the child. Now, if there is abuse involved or some type of neglect, then at that point, yes, they may not be on the side of the non-custodial parent or even want to listen. Of course they will, but it may go in your favor, right? But if you're just doing it to be mean, don't do that, y'all. So again, if you are a single parent or unmarried and your name is the only name listed on the birth certificate, then this video was really not for you. There are a lot of people moving abroad with children and they are not getting the consent from the other parent. That is not good, you guys. It is not good at all. And so I'm here to tell you that you don't want to get caught up in legal matters, especially abroad. If you'd like to check out my story about how I moved abroad with kids, then I'll leave it in the description box below. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.